The name of our app is EndIt. First, this is the button where you send out a distress signal if you're being trafficked and in distress. It gets your location. Then you have to register and input your email. Then you turn on the location and camera permissions and then submit. This will take you to the home page where you can see tabs on spot the signs, take action, report, get info, and about. On spot the signs, it educates users on what to look out for on personal signs and general signs. Then take action. What can you do and what are we doing? This is our pitch video, and you can also report. This is to send a relayed report to agencies. And then you select images and a video and submit. When you submit, you could also submit another report. Then get info. This would inform you, give you information, and tell you everything you need to know about human trafficking. Then the about is going to tell you about us and about the app, about the team and about our app. Thank you.